Today, the Ottawa County Farmers Market in Oklahoma kicked off their 6th season at the Miamuh Fairgrounds. In addition to creating access to fresh produce, the market also aims to get anyone in the area access to a COVID-19 vaccine. KOAM's Bronte Sorotsky tells us more.
Jicama, kohlrabi, rutabaga. These produce items can be hard to find in most grocery stores, but can be found at the Ottawa County Farmers Market in Miamuh.
In this part of the state, there's a lot of commodities, and so people have grown up with canned fruits and vegetables.
So, they're working to improve awareness about healthy eating in the county.
Some people, the closest thing they have is a convenience store or maybe a Dollar General. So this is just another way to make it easier for them to get healthy food.
They're not just sharing the importance of healthy food, but also about keeping the community as a whole healthy, which is why farmers market shoppers could also get a COVID-19 vaccine.
And they didn't have to go anywhere or do anything special except come and get their veggies like they normally do each week.
The Northeastern Tribal Health System supplied today's shots and says this may put people at ease when it comes to getting the jab.
We feel that people have had the opportunity for several months and maybe they haven't taken advantage of that. And sometimes when you go to a clinic or a hospital, it's a little intimidating, so people will avoid those situations. So while they're out here purchasing some fruits and vegetables, maybe they will take advantage of that.
That's exactly what Smokey Struce did today.
I was supposed to get it today in Joplin, but they had a backup on medicines or something, so this worked out absolutely perfect for me.
He didn't even plan on getting it at the market today.
It's very convenient. I mean, it's like they can do their shopping, get their groceries out here, and get shot at the same time.
In Miamuh, Bronte Sorotsky, KOAM News.
Today, the Northeastern Tribal System will supply the vaccines and will alternate with the Ottawa County Health Department for the next 4 weeks. The U.S. is turning a corner.